In this video, we'll walk through the new image features available across your back office and Tillfront. You'll learn how to add images to categories and products, how to use our new image search and bulk tools, and finally, how to enable image tiles on your Till. Let's start on the New Categories page. When you create a category, you'll now see an image panel just below the main information fields. To upload your own image, select the Browse button. Or you can use our integration with Pexels to search for an image that fits your category. Once you've made your choice, you can preview how it will look by toggling Preview Image on Tile. The preview lets you switch between dark, classic, and light themes. You can even update the button color for the category, allowing you to fully customize the appearance without leaving the page. Once you're happy, click Save and Close to finish. If you want to update an existing category image, simply double-click the image from the category list. This opens the same editing panel with all the same preview tools. Next, let's take a look at the new options in your product list. You'll notice a new image column. To add an image to a product, double-click the empty image cell. This opens a quick edit screen where you can configure your product images. Just like the category images, you can browse to upload your own image, or you can use the Pexels integration to find an image. Once saved, you'll instantly see the preview thumbnail appear in the image column. If you want to add images to several products at once, you can use the bulk image import option. Select Image Upload in the top right, search for a term, such as fries, choose an image you like, and then select all products that applies to. You can keep searching for different items and attaching the relevant images as you go. When you're done, click Upload, and you'll see preview thumbnails appear for all updated products. Now let's bring these images through to your Till. Open the Till app and go to Settings in the top left corner. Select Appearance. Here, you'll find two new toggles, Show Image on Category Tile and Show Image on Product Tiles. Enable whichever you'd like. In this example, we'll enable both. When category images are enabled, your category tiles switch from the traditional rectangular layout to a square tile that displays the image more prominently. Under Tile Size, you can also adjust how large your buttons appear, from extra small through to large, depending on your layout needs. Once you're happy with how everything looks, press the back arrow in the top left and view your masterpiece. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.